Hello everybody, good day. I am Putri Siswandari from Biology Education Study Program Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia and my colleagues from SD Laboratorium UPI Kampus Sibiru. There are Miss Ulfi Asisalika, Miss Farah Falasifa, and Miss Fira Nurofia. Today we would like to share our presentation about school gardens, a model to support project-based learning. School garden have numerous advantages as learning media. In science subject, school gardens provide students encounter with nature and living organism. Also, it can increase student scientific literacy. School garden can connect students with nutrition education by raising awareness for increasing consumption of plant-based calories such as fruit and vegetables. School gardens also can enriching outside learning experience to improve student mood and well-being and develop student social behavior. A successful school garden require proper management and long-term viability. However, maintaining school garden is challenging, which leads to their abandonment. School garden requires staff and solid funding, but school ability is restricted. Garden-based science learning allows for innovative approaches to maintaining school garden, a program that can integrate school garden and the curriculum is required so students are involved in school garden maintenance. This study investigates school garden as a model of science project-based learning, providing students involvement in garden maintenance with contextual issue to solve. The method of this study is the case study investigates school garden as a model of science project-based learning. Participants in this study were nine students of sixth grade who were the member of Green Community Extracurricular. The school garden STEM project was divided into four stages. For the first stage, we introduce problem and context to students regarding school garden. Students observe the garden and identify the problem at the garden. Teacher introduce STEM project and how students involved in this project. The second stage, students search information about school garden as part of their background knowledge. In their team, students discuss their plan and design the school garden based on their findings. Student and teacher discuss in which part we can implement their design in our garden. In the third stage is problem solving. Student working on school garden in a team, they observe, identify, and analyze the data they got from the garden. And after that, student and teacher discuss their observation findings to search for the solution. In the fourth stage is communication. Student present their results. Um, Field notes and photos were collected as observation during a period of 12 weeks of lesson. The limitation of this study include participant and generalizability. The participant only 9 students best chosen from the Green Community Extracurricular. They showed their active participation and dedication on the Green Community activities. The result of this study show the school garden as a model for project-based learning, but it remains a single case study. The result of this study, school garden STEM project encourage students to visit the garden more frequently. Uh, in the science investigation, student identify a problem in the garden. They can gather information on the website about garden maintenance. Student designed the garden improvement. They decided to clean the weeds regularly once a week. And also they learned to planting water spinach in a hydroponic system. A student identifying problem or findings in the garden to discuss with teacher about the school garden improvement. When the crop yield was not satisfied, they tried to build a indoor hydroponic system model. And there are some obstacles on the garden, such as chicken invasion. So students build paranet fence to avoid chicken invasion to the hydroponic system. The activity includes science as the basic of knowledge for plant growth and development in hydroponic system. Technology and engineering involved when student using outdoor hydroponic system, when student build indoor hydroponic system, and when student build paranet fence. Mathematics involved when students calculate the number of plant, measure plant height and plant weight. These activities encourage student critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. The conclusion of this study that the school garden STEM project can be a project-based learning model due to the involvement of students in carrying out project to maintain the school garden to be sustainable. School garden activities require a precise curriculum to learning implementation. Teacher and stakeholder may collaborate with agricultural or government institution to raise funds and support for the school gardens. The connection between student, teacher, school, parents, and communities creates a school garden support system. The author uh, gratefully acknowledge to the Simio STEM ED project-based learning course webinar. Thank you for Dr. Mark Windel, Dr. Edward Reeve, and Dr. John Stiles for the professional learning community via Zoom to encourage outdoor implement the school garden STEM project. And also we thank SD Laboratorium UPI Kampus Cibiru to provide us facilities to do the project. Thank you.